Richmond.
Got my matcha. Woohoo! I'm in Richmond Park, baby. Wow, the grass looks very dried out. I love exploring new parks that you've never been to before. Oh my god, look at that. It's so gorgeous tonight. It's supposed to be deers here somewhere. Yeah, I forgot about that. So hopefully I see some deer. That'd be fun. Oh my god, he's beautiful. He is huge. I've never seen a deer this big. He must be a stag, actually. I was not expecting that. I completely forgot that there were deer in this park until literally I just mentioned it. It's 11:11 whilst I'm recording this, and yeah, this is definitely the closest that I've ever been to a deer before. I was just thinking what a wonderful hobby photography and filming are, because it really gets you out into nature. It's so much better than being stuck behind a desk. These planes are a bit annoying, but yeah, that's as close as I'm going to get to him. I've been so stressed recently, and then this has just made me so happy, like coming here. It's really made my day as well, seeing that deer. I couldn't hardly even open my eyes, because look at what I'm looking at right now. That's the view. Anyway, the park's huge, so I want to have a walk and find some more deer, hopefully. So I actually filmed this a few months ago, and I was just sitting on the footage, and I thought I didn't even really like how I looked in it, and I just didn't know what to do with it. But there's beauty in everything, but not everyone sees it. Well, there we go, to not get close to deer. How stunning does this look? It's so warm as well. Actually hot. It's reminding me of like True Detective or The Witch vibes. Wow. Can you see them all? Oh, I'm gonna be in this dude's wildlife shop. Oh my god, that is funny. Wow, that's so pretty. Beautiful. Wow. This guy's like me, the loner. I feel pretty safe around him actually. He seems sweet. Don't you? He seems sweet. I almost missed this guy, hiding in the grass. Oh, there's really a lot of deers in this park. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I just spotted this guy with the antlers. What are the calls that they do? Low-key, I'm kind of scared of the ones with antlers. The other ones seem harmless. These ones. Oh. Fuck me. That gave me such a fright when I did that massive moo. Do they moo? What do they do? Oh my god, that gave me a fright. with everything that goes on in the news nowadays, it's so easy to forget how beautiful the world is still, and how peaceful and loving it is. So I encourage you all to go out into nature. You don't even have to travel far, and just relax and meditate in that gorgeous view, and just sit and breathe and do nothing. Walking through the middle of them right now. Oh. Oh, jeez. Just popped out of nowhere. He looks curious, this guy, actually. It's okay. Oh, okay, now I'm actually getting scared. Wow. They are so beautiful. Yeah, this has really just brightened up my mood. Yeah, so much. I'm absolutely in love with this park. It's just... look at that, it's stunning. I didn't even come here thinking that I would film for a video. I'm so happy that I came here tonight. That sun is just setting soon, and I can't believe how hot it's been for mid-October. Just absolutely beautiful. And I'm in love with the deers. I'm gonna be coming back here so much. Just look at this again. Stunning. I'm really glad that I recorded this day because it was actually so beautiful and dreamlike, and it was really nice. I have just seen the biggest herd of deer all day. You can probably hear that. Oh my, this is a massive herd. There's not really a path here, I'm just sort of gonna walk over this fern stuff. Oh, I think that, oh my god, they're having sex. Oh my god, you see that? Oh, they're playing. I think they're the males, right? And then these are all the females without the antlers? Must be. Maybe I'm too close, I don't know. Oh my god, okay, we're getting a National Geographic moment here. Maybe they're just really horny and that's why they're calling. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, okay. I'm retreating because the big guy is coming my way. Oh, I'm getting the hell out here. Okay, yes, so I was right, the females are all these ones without the horns, and then the males who are making all the noise are the ones with the antlers. Oh, nice. It's so close to the road. I can't watch. Didn't realise how high up we were. It's just gone 6 now. Probably get some food in the Richmond town centre. It's quite nice though. don't really know what I'm doing here, but I just saw something called King Henry's Mound, so... Check out the sun. There's no one else here on the mound. It's actually really cool. Really awesome. There we go, Heathrow. Eel Pie Island. Can I get the camera in there? Oh yeah. Great quality footage here, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Oh, I got it. Sunset. I love things like this. I don't know what they are. Bluebells or something? Not bluebells, but... Thought it was going to be locked in there. Took my cap off now. My hair looks alright actually. Yeah. Oh wow, there's a canal and everything. Yeah, this is really giving me Cambridge vibes. With the canal and the river and the kayakers. Feels like abroad. Damn, it's beautiful. Hey, no, get away. Get away from me. That one's vicious. The town of Richmond is so nice. I love to come back and like eat along the canal. But yeah, I just had a little date by myself there in Wagamama's. It was really nice actually, and yeah, the drink I had was called sake spritz. So like sake, grapefruit and lychee. It was delicious. Yeah. Okay, and that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.